Dad looks back to his childhood. Happy tears in his eyes. Hazy filtered images of dens, rope swings, jumping brooks. He thinks of racing his mates under blue summer skies, on bikes, on skateboards, to lampposts on foot. Never time to rest. There were leaves to collect, ant farms to make, trees to climb, sword fights with sticks, kites to fly, insects to hold, beaches to dig. Mum beams a smile as she remembers her wellies and that dress. How she'd dance and twirl like a young girl does. She'd constantly get muddy and smelly and make all kinds of mess. Sandcastles with moats, mud pies, hide and seek in the woods. She'd make holiday friends instantly. The kind that lasts only a week, but stays with you forever. They'd share secrets, run riot, grin from cheek to cheek. All that mattered was being together. Let these be the memories of your children, not some false world played out on screens. Through them, you're born again. Show them what childhood really means. There will always be a haven for your family.